What if keeping it local wasn't the old way, but the brave way of doing business? They say it's easier, even cheaper, to send it all somewhere else, to some faraway land. But easier never built anything worth holding on to. We live in a stack them deep, sell them cheap world, but around here we don't chase fast fashion. We chase good design with purpose and patience, and with people we know by name. For over 30 years, Maruca has kept its threads right here at home. Designing, weaving, cutting, sewing, all of it. Not because it's easy or trendy, but because it matters. Every yard of jacquard fabric that is used in a Maruca bag is born in a U.S. mill. We did not outsource our soul. We doubled down on it through our collaboration with American textile mills. All of our bags reflect originality, craftsmanship, and longevity, which really is luxury in its most authentic form. Every Maruca bag carries more than your essentials. It carries a story of people who dared to make here at home, of an industry that we refuse to let fade. Buying a Maruca bag is more than carrying beautiful fabric. It's carrying a legacy in every stitch. It's a deliberate choice to support handmade in the USA. It's a quiet act of defiance against the fast, disposable fashion culture. We're not trying to take over the world. We're trying to take care of it. One beautiful, soulful bag at a time. 30 plus years, designed, milled, made right here. Maruca.